Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these beautiful coasters. You can use them in the kitchen, on the table, in the parlor, like anywhere. If you're serving drinks, you can use this as coaster trays, and it is super easy. I have a playlist where I show you guys scrap projects that you can make. Amazing projects, by the way, so you guys can go check it out. I'll link it in the description box so you guys can go see it. Let's get into this tutorial. Guys, for this you're going to be needing 6 fabrics that are 5 inches by 5 inches, so 6 pieces. Now I want mine to be like a patchwork, so I'm using different fabrics. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of them that I want to be like the base of my fabric, and I'm going to place it right here. So you're placing it wrong side up, so you're looking at the wrong side, and then you're going to take the second fabric, and then you're going to place it wrong sides facing each other. If at the end you want your fabric to be this design, when you turn it inside out, make sure this part is right here that you're looking at it. But if you want this to be the final result, make sure this is what you are going to be looking at. Now you're going to take one of your pieces, place it right sides facing each other, so just like this, and they're going to place it at the edge right here. So make sure the open edges are on the edges. You're now going to take the second piece right here, fold it right sides facing each other. You're going to take your third piece, and then you're going to take your fourth piece. Oh, I've been making a mistake. The open edges should be on the open sides. So you need to be really, really careful when you're doing this. So when you put it, you're going to make sure you are overlapping it to make sure each color is there. So can you see how I did it? I overlapped this, so just like that. Don't just place it on top of each other. And then you're going to sew it all around. Everything, sew it all around. So once you sew it all around, just make sure you pin it before sewing so that it can be easy for you. Now this is the first method. This is the square method. Now I'm going to show you guys the triangle method. So again, I have my 6 fabric right here, 5 inches by 5 inches, and I'm going to, this time I want my blue one to be the base. So I'm going to place this first, wrong sides facing up. Place this again, right sides facing up, so the wrong sides are facing each other. And then with this, we're not folding it just straight like that. We're folding it in a triangle. And then we're placing it like this. So arrange it correctly and then sew it all around. So can you see? Sew it all around. Just make sure you pin before you sew so that it can be easy for you. So guys, these are what my coasters look like right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip the corners. So now we're now going to turn it inside out. So you're going to pick everything and turn it to the other side. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have turned it, and this is what it looks like. Now the final thing we're going to do is we're going to sew it along the edges basically. So you're edge stitching all around, And here as well, all around. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I'm done top stitching on all the edges. So guys, this is what it looks like. Can you see? This is amazing. I actually love how it turned out. This is the square one and this is the triangle one. So I'm going to place my YouTube black mug on this so you guys can see. It is amazing. If you have a cold drink, you can actually put it on it. So if you have water dripping under your cup, this can help you secure it and make your table not get soaked basically. So this is what it looks like. I love how it's turned out. I love every bit of it. Wow, guys, look at it. And guys, that's all I have for this amazing tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot from it. Like I said in the beginning, I have a playlist of scrap projects, so things that you can use scrap fabrics to make. I have a playlist basically like specially for those things, and I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. Joining as a member as well on the channel. Membership gives you access to videos that are for only members and not for the public, and you get to see videos firsthand before other people see it on my channel. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.